Hi guys! So I just received an email from YouTube and it says that I already passed 100 plus subscribers, and I don't want to miss this opportunity to thank those people who supported me to attain this number of subscribers. So I know it's too early for me to celebrate kay tungod gamay pa jud ni ang akong subscribers, or should I say too early to celebrate because I only have few subscribers. But I just can't help but be happy, which says every great journey comes from a single step. So that's why regardless if I still have few subscribers, I just want to enjoy every moment that I gain more subscriber. So even though gamay ra kayo na siya, but I'm very happy and thankful for those people who helped me to attain more subscribers. Please continue supporting me with my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. And also, please always leave your comments. So thank you and keep safe, everyone.